How to save your document on Word to Dropbox. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to save your document on Word to Dropbox. First thing, go to Word, choose your documents like this one here, and now go to the top here and click on the share option. Now all what you have to do is click share as an attachment, or you can go here in the top corner and click save as. Now click on add the place and choose Dropbox, and now connect your Dropbox easy and fast, and you will be able to save it there. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.